Guys, today second part of the video about engine rattle, which I did on my channel. I was pointing on the camshaft trays, camshaft ledges. They have a wear on the lifter bores, and that's I think it's causing the rattle when the engine is getting warm. And later I will show you the amount of play I have on this engine. So this is what I'm doing today, just taking the vanos, of course, whole timing again, replacing the trays with the other ones I'm gonna show you in a minute. And maybe I'm gonna swap for this camshaft over there because got less wear, I think, comparing to mine. So hopefully that fix will be the solution for the engine rattle, and I hope I was right about that, because I don't see any other reason for that noise coming out from that engine. So I will let you know, maybe do a short quick video how the engine sounds. I hope you can see that. I'm touching slightly, I'm not trying to scratch them or abuse them, but that's the case I was talking about in my previous video. You can see they have a play. They're moving side to side. That's why I'm gonna swap them today for the used ones. I think they don't look great, but comparing the play with other lifters, they are looking good. Those are the ones I'm gonna be using. I treat them with some paper on the block. I checked them, like roughly I think they have a small play. On some points they don't have play at all, so hopefully that's gonna be my fix. That's the first startup after replacement. Stupid belt. Start to knock again. So what I'm noticing here now with new trays, that the rattle starts early, like 30 degrees Celsius, maybe. I mean, I'm talking about oil temperature, which is not shown on the dash, but anyway, I got my scan tool. Now the oil is 62, so the rattle starts early and goes quicker. It doesn't have to be fully hot to like almost go away. Before, with the old trays, I had like rattle starting like about 50 degrees, and it was there to about fully hot. Sometimes went off when the car was like really hot. So it's still there, but it's different and it's trying to go away. So I don't know, but that's the confirmation that those lifter trays, those cam trays, are the key for your BMW M54 engine rattle. So I changed them. Now it's ticking like this. I took it yesterday for a spin at night. When the car was warm and hot, there was no rattle at all. So that is the key to your engine rattle. The oil temperature is 78. Coolant is fully hot, but it's the oil temperature which is important when you're checking noises or diagnosing your car. So what I got now is there's like a single lifter tapping, but a part of that, most of the noise which I had before was like metal chattering. So the lifters all been like chattering, like metallic chatter. It was quite dim, but still I just know my car, so I'm telling you the difference. But 78 degrees of temperature of the oil, still low, and the noise is almost gone. Well, comparing what I had before. And the car is just a bit smoother. Still like vibrations, but different way. It's hard to explain. If you know your car, you know what I'm talking about. Oil temperature 93 Celsius. Car is still idling, no revving up. Okay, there's like small chatter, but that's nothing comparing to what I had before. No knockings, nothing. And the car is just smoother. Before there was like well, I knew I had like misfire on cylinder number 1. I'm just gonna hook up my laptop to check correctly if the situation has changed. The solution is to get new ones, which is very expensive and probably not possible these days. But also, if you find decent ones without any major signs of wear, that's the solution to replace them. Okay, so short clip, oil temperature 66, car is still warming up. That's another day of my test. Roughness. I always had problem with cylinder number 1. Even I changed the lifters, new lifters, engine rebuild. Everything is new. Cam trace I swapped 2 days ago. But before, this was like around 1, sometimes over 1. So for now it's improved, but the car is not fully hot, so I have to wait and see. So oil temperature 88, nearly 90. Everything is hot. And roughness, as we can see, cylinder number 1 still standing out from others, but is a lot lower than 1 or over 1 which I had before. So there's an improvement, and engine is not so shaky as before. Also, that proves that camshaft trays are the key for the problem. So thank you for watching, and I think I will update on this maybe in the future if I do something again to this problem. So thank you for watching, see you next time.